It's not all black and yellow. The Namaqualand Flower Festival is one that aims at bringing people to the flowers. It provides opportunity to observe and appreciate the beautiful flora and fauna we are so blessed with in South Africa. At this year's celebration, I received an opportunity to share some insight into the colorful world of pollination, as I was invited to host a workshop on solitary bees. This colorful world we tend to overlook, where social bees, such as honeybees, only make out a minute portion of the bee family. Solitary living bees differ in size, color, shape, specialities, and pollen choice. Although these insects are small, they carry an immense amount of credibility in numerous active interconnected networks on Earth. Some networks the human species rely on for nutrients and nourishment consumption through pollinated plants. It's important to understand that these interconnected networks will collapse if a sudden change occurs. Decline in species numbers could mean the end of numerous dependent relationships and essentially start affecting other species in these systems. The butterfly effect. Maybe, rather the bee effect, one that deserves more attention and respect. Thus, I took it back to the basics in this interactive workshop by designing a Connect the Dots installation, where participators had the opportunity to choose their color choice of string, representing a different species of bees. The participators then strung their color thread from dot to dot. A simple creative craft we've been exposed to since we were in elementary school, taking many participators back to the childlike state of being curious. Curiosity has the ability to bring us back to a state of equality and make us aware of interconnectedness. At one's own pace and choice of direction, this colorful thread woven through this installation can extend beyond this bee figure and into the world of pollination that occurs everywhere around us. And all it requires is a little bit of curiosity, time, and observation. And voila, it's almost impossible to unsee this world of color.